Hi, my name is Jojo and I live in a tent on an island in Sweden. And as you can see from my clothing, it is summer. But sometimes the temperature in summer is not as you would want it. Sometimes it's too warm. So I'm going to build something to have a cooler place. Not for me, but for my food. At the moment my highly calibrated weather station tells me that it has 18 degrees outside. And let's see if we can build something with this pipe plugs to build some kind of fridge in the lake here. Well, this was expected, of course, that it won't sink. So let's see how. I think we need some really heavy stone. Well, and now? I should. Oh man. If I let go now, this will go that way. Oh, it's easy. By the way, I can recommend everyone to learn some basic knots. It can be really useful in situations like these. I'm not fully convinced yet. I need something here where I can tie it to. Then there is the lid here. So no rain is coming inside, and this should work in theory. So we can now take, does this fit? So 18 degrees outside here. Let's see how it's down there. I like how it's dancing in the waves. So it's been a couple of minutes now. Let's see how cold it is down there. And it has 19 degrees. So it's 1 degree warmer. Maybe it needs more time. I'll give it more time because the air was quite warm in there. So let's keep it for some hours in there. So it's been a few days since I installed all of this, and I have not only still not tied my shoes, I've put in a temperature sensor that's connected to my GPS device, and it's been there for some time now. The water temperature is 18 degrees at the moment, so let's see. It takes some time to get the signal again. 17 degrees. Yeah. For now, in the summer, I'm not sure how well it works as a fridge, since the summer is basically over here already, and the temperatures won't get as high as they were in July probably. But what's the more important or more interesting thing, and which was also the initial idea for this construction, is for winter. Because a bigger problem than keeping things cool in summer here, I think, will be to have things not freezing in winter. It will have 4 degrees probably, so I can put things in there that should not freeze, like fresh fruits and stuff like this. So yeah, I'll let you know. Subscribe to this channel, because then you, and click the bell as well, then you get notified when I upload the video in winter about this, and many videos in between as well. So, or if you have any ideas on how I could improve this, or any other suggestions, difficult words, let me know, and see you next time. Bye. Oh, fridge in the pipe, you're not working as I'd like. You keep it cool, but not as cool as other kids in the school. And the planes that fly above, I can see, because I don't wear glasses nor gloves. But I'm sure Up there it's cool, like in you, and me too. But wait, in me, it's not cold, it is warm. That's what I'm told. 37 degrees Celsius is the temperature of a body when it's alive and doesn't have fever. So pipe, oh orange pipe, in the blue water. That's right. My fridge, you are my fridge. And now I'll end this song